Concrete pumping is a critical part of many construction projects in Danbury, allowing for efficient and precise placement of concrete in foundations, slabs, and structural elements. However, weather conditions play a significant role in how smoothly these operations run. From temperature fluctuations to rain and wind, each environmental factor can impact the quality, timing, and safety of concrete pumping. Understanding these effects helps contractors and property owners plan more effectively and achieve better results. Temperature is one of the most influential weather factors. In warmer conditions, concrete can set more quickly, which may seem beneficial at first but can create challenges during pumping. If the concrete begins to harden too soon, it can clog hoses, reduce workability, and make it difficult to achieve a smooth finish. On the other hand, cold temperatures can slow down the curing process, delaying project timelines and potentially affecting the strength of the finished structure. In Danbury, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, careful monitoring and adjustments are necessary to ensure proper performance. Humidity also affects concrete pumping operations. High humidity levels can slow the evaporation of moisture from the concrete, extending the curing time. While this can help prevent cracking in some cases, it may also delay finishing work. Low humidity, combined with warm temperatures, can cause rapid moisture loss, increasing the risk of surface cracking. Balancing moisture levels is essential to maintaining the integrity and durability of the concrete. Rain is another major consideration for concrete pumping in Danbury. Light rain can interfere with surface finishing, while heavy rain can dilute the concrete mix and weaken its strength. Wet conditions can also make job sites muddy and difficult to navigate, slowing down equipment and increasing the risk of delays. In many cases, projects may need to be rescheduled if significant rainfall is expected. Protective measures, such as covering freshly poured concrete, can help minimize damage when unexpected rain occurs. Wind can also impact concrete pumping operations. Strong winds can accelerate the drying process by increasing evaporation, which may lead to uneven curing and surface defects. Wind can also make it more difficult to control the placement of concrete, especially when working at height or with long pump hoses. In addition, wind can carry debris onto freshly poured surfaces, affecting the finish and requiring additional cleanup. Seasonal changes in Danbury bring a combination of these weather factors, making planning even more important. During summer, high temperatures and occasional storms require careful scheduling and moisture control. In winter, cold temperatures and freezing conditions can pose serious challenges. Concrete should not be allowed to freeze before it has properly cured, as this can compromise its strength. Contractors may need to use heated enclosures or additives to maintain proper curing conditions during colder months. Weather conditions also affect the equipment used in concrete pumping. Extreme temperatures can impact the performance of pumps, hoses, and other components. For example, cold weather can make materials more brittle, increasing the risk of wear or damage, while excessive heat can cause equipment to overheat. Regular maintenance and proper preparation help ensure that equipment operates reliably under varying conditions. Safety is another important factor influenced by weather. Wet or icy surfaces can create hazards for workers, while strong winds or storms can make certain tasks more dangerous. Planning around weather conditions helps reduce risks and ensures a safer working environment for everyone involved in the project. Despite these challenges, experienced contractors in Danbury are well equipped to handle changing weather conditions. By monitoring forecasts, adjusting schedules, and using the right techniques and materials, they can maintain efficiency and deliver high-quality results. Communication between contractors and clients is also key, ensuring that expectations are clear and any weather-related adjustments are understood. In the end, weather plays a crucial role in concrete pumping operations in Danbury. Temperature, humidity, rain, and wind all influence how concrete is handled, placed, and cured. By understanding these factors and planning accordingly, homeowners and contractors can ensure successful projects with strong, durable results. Proper preparation and professional expertise make it possible to overcome weather challenges and keep construction projects on track.